Well, hello everyone. This is Geo of the Information Girls, and today I'm going to give you a link so that you can bookmark and find YouTube Studio app updates. This means that this link will let you know the latest updates anytime that YouTube updates the app of the YouTube Studio. Okay, so let's get started. Use this article to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube Studio apps update. Latest updates for this month. Requesting views on mobile. You can now request a human review using the latest version of the YouTube Studio mobile app if your video is marked with limited monetization. And they also give you a link to learn more there. Mobile permission expansion. Channel permission users can now use the YouTube Studio app as delegates and access analytics, including artist analytics and video updates. Users with view only or non revenue permissions also can access the Studio app. They also give you a link. Plus, they give you a video to watch so that you'll know exactly what all of this means or this entire page means. You need to watch the video. Now, it's a very good video. I watched it, but I want you to go and watch it for yourself. Previous updates from the past 6 months on this page. This is why I urge you to bookmark this page so that you can keep up with the mobile updates or the mobile app updates. The YouTube Studio, the last in the past 6 months, the update for the YouTube Studio check video restrictions. You can now view issues such as copyright claims, appeal, community guideline actions in the YouTube Studio app. Okay, you can now view that on your phone. YouTube Analytics, no updates, come back soon. Community and comments, no update. Monetization, no updates. Notification, no updates. And other updates, no updates, come back soon. This is why I'm going to say it again. Please bookmark this page so that if you are using your phone and your phone only, you can keep up with the YouTube Studio app updates on this link. And I will have the link below. This is Geo. I am one of the Information Girls. And as Marlene and I always say, no rumors, just the facts. If you have not joined Information Girls, please do so today.
Information girls, we got the pearls, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now. Go the distance with the Information Girls. Information Girls. We got the pills, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact.